Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a unboxing of my Instapot, and this one is the Pioneer Woman version. I decided to go with the Pioneer Woman just to be a little different, and I got these little things to go with it because I was reading that you don't want to use like forks, spoons, or anything to that nature, or you can mess up the pan and stuff that's in there. So I just grabbed this one, and this is obviously by Pioneer Woman. This is the 3 mini pack. Let me zoom you guys out. And then I just got the one single one by itself, and it's Pioneer Woman. This was $5 and this was $6, so that's just extra that has to be washed and ready. So you guys, I have been researching about this Instapot. I've been wanting an Instapot for a while now, and I said, you know what, screw it. Walmart had it on sale as a rollback. This specific one, they didn't have the other one, that all black one was still $70. This was $59 on rollback, and I said, you know what, grab it while it's on sale. So I pretty much saved $10 plus tax, obviously. So yeah, this is the 6-quart vintage floral because it's obviously Pioneer Woman. And then this one you get this is the America's #1 cooking brand. You get an exclusive glass lid. Your food cooks up to 70% faster. You get an easy one-touch control, and then you have a smart, remembers the way that you cook, so that's awesome. I like that. And this is a 6-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker. So off to the side, the box just looks like this. It tells you everything about your pressure cooker, your Instapot. So this right here is your anti-block shield, your pressure regulator for your steam. You have your safety lock, closed lid directions, electrical fuse, thermal fuse, and then your automatic pressure controls. And then you have a overheating protection, automatic temperature control, your stainless steel inner pot, that's what I was talking about with those, and then your smart directions or detection of a leaky lid. So that's what that side looks like, and then we're just back to the same. And then this side has, it says healthy cooking made quick and easy, and it looks like you can do cooked eggs, slow cooker, which is pretty cool. I have a crock pot, but I've had that thing since Florida, so that thing could go at any minute. This is a cake mixer you can do, rice cooker, a steamer, food warmer, and a pressure cooker, and then saute pan. So let me dive in, let me get my tripod, and we will unbox this together. Alright, so I do apologize if you hear my loud dishwasher, but it is going right now, and I am sorry for the angle of this, but I am too short to stand on the counter to show you guys, so we're going to dive into this box. Down here. Alright, so alright, so it looks like you get okay. So this seems really helpful. It gives you cooking sheet, it gives you your vegetables, your meat and eggs. It gives you rice and grains, beans and seafood. So yeah, 1 to 2 minutes. It tells you like prepping time. And then obviously your manual. and then actual Instapot book to see like the actual manual to the thing. And then we have this, which I don't know what this is. It says, oh, okay, this is electric pressure cooker recipes. So you actually get some of her recipes. Huh. And it just looks something like this. Really cute and simple. Tells you how she makes her hard-boiled eggs. Huh, that's nice. That'll come in handy. Alright, and then we got this, which is the lid. And it just says Pioneer Instapot, Pioneer Woman. And I guess this is if you want to use it as a crock pot. Alright. And here we go, you guys. We are unboxing it, and I will show you a different angle of Let's see if there are any goodies inside. So it just obviously tells you your warning about your, I gotta cut that off. Just tells you your warning about your plug. Most people know that. This is your warning about your steam that can burn you. So let's see. Right. So we do have more goodies in here. Let's see what this is. Alright. Just more warnings. Make sure your heating element is free from your grease and debris, because it can obviously cause a fire. What is this? Read all your warning labels. Alright, so this is what the inside of it looks like. I'll show you guys. This is without the stainless steel, and then this is the stainless steel. And this actually has, let's see, measurements. So it says Instapot right here. And then it just says PC Max 2/3 and then 1.5. And then you have this bad boy. You just sit down here to prevent your food from obviously touching the bottom of your pan and for it to burn. Because a lot of times the reviews and videos I've been watching, a lot of people I notice add water to this first and then they put their food in there and stuff. So I'm still going to have to learn how to use this. I'm just reviewing it right now and unboxing it. Right, and then we have some more goodies. So this looks like your measurement for your water. So you get one of these. And then you get some spoons, which is really cool for like your rice and stuff. So that's really nice. So yeah, I guess I didn't need to buy these, but they're always just good to have extras of. So yeah, that is unboxing my Instapot. If you guys want to see an actual video of me cooking something in my Instapot, then let me know and I will do that for you. I still have to learn how to use this thing. I'd never used anything like this before in my life, so this is new to me. And then this right here is, I guess, if you want to make it as like a crock pot, so which that's pretty cool. And then you could take that out and just take that if you had to do anything to that nature. So that is really cool. I like this. I really am glad that I went ahead and bought this instead of just waiting and being like, do I want it? Do I not want it? Oh, and one other thing, you guys, is you don't have to just follow like the instructions on here. Like you can do soups and broths, you can do meat and stews, you can do a cake, you can do eggs, you can saute, and then you have your timing right here. You can adjust manual, delay start, or you can just keep it warm. You do have a slow cook, steam, porridge, I have no idea, multigrain, rice, and then this would be your display. You could do low, normal, or more, and then you set your timing like that. And if you guys want to see what this looks like turned on, hang on. Alright, and that's what it looks like turned on. So let's just see. I don't want to like I don't want to do anything because I don't know how to work it yet. So yes, that is everything. I am so happy that I finally own this, and I don't know, I might do more reviews and let you guys know what I really think about this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys own an Instapot? Do you love your Instapot? Let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. Give this video a big huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I'll see you soon in my next video.